Okay, uh, the knob is set for blank. You can see 0 reading for blank. Now we pull this knob so that our sample cuvette comes in front of light source like this way. Okay. Now you have pulling this knob, put the sample solution in front of source, and the display reading is for 25 ppm extract. So you can clearly visualize the reading, that is 0.018. It is for 25 ppm extract. So write down this reading for plotting graph. Okay. Now we are going to take reading of another extract. So open the sample chamber and pull out the cuvette in which we have placed the 25 ppm extract. Transfer this extract into iodine flask that was for 25 ppm extract. Now take other extract. Now we are taking 50 ml ppm extract. Take this extract into cuvette. Wipe the surface of cuvette for any spill. Place again it in front of light source and cover with cap. Close the sample holder cell. Again check that for blank reading is 0. Push this knob. Pushing this bring the blank solution in front of source. You can visualize that display reading is still 0. Okay. Now we are pulling this knob and bring 25 ppm extract in front of light source. Okay. This is the reading for 50 ppm extract. Write down this reading for plotting graph. We have put 75 ppm solution in the sample holder. Before taking reading, first ensure that reading should be 0. We are adjusting the reading 0 for blank. Now we are pushing the knob and placing the sample in front of light source. Okay. You can see that for 75 ppm the reading is 0.114. Okay. After this we are taking the sample of 100 ppm. Okay. Now we are taking 100 mm 100 ppm solution into cuvette. Wipe the surface of cuvette before placing it into cell. Cover it with cap. For blank reading should be 0, so we are adjusting it by fine. Now by pulling this, take the reading. For taking absorbance of 100 ppm extract, now we are pulling this knob and placing the sample in front of light source. The reading for our 100 ppm extract is 0.214. Okay. Now at last we are taking the absorbance of soft drink extract. Okay. Here is soft drink extract. Cover the cuvette, close the chamber. Before taking reading, ensure that reading for blank should be 0. Now we set the reading 0 by fine knob. It is not 0. Voltage fluctuation change the reading. Therefore, each time we have to set display reading 0 for blank here. Now by pulling the knob, we are placing the soft drink sample in front of light. As you can see that our reading for soft drink is 0.179. Okay. After completing the experiment, we have to clean this cuvette with the blank solvent. We have used dichloromethane as a blank solvent. So wash this cuvette with dichloromethane before putting it into cuvette pocket. Okay. Today we have taken all the readings for all extract, that is 25, 50 ppm, 75 ppm and 100 ppm extract. Lastly, we have taken the reading of soft drink extract. Now we are going to take this reading for first plotting the calibration graph